So I'm here in the parking lot at the convention center. My son has a volleyball tournament that he's going to, and there's a lot of gaps between games. So in between games, I'm going to be stealth camping in the structure. We'll see how that goes. Well, the tournament's not going so great, but I get to relax inside a very comfortable area. So I'm going to do my thing in here. Got a nice long break in between games. Going to sit back and relax, maybe watch a movie, maybe take a nap. Who knows? Possibilities are endless. Not quite Miller time, but just a soda. All right, so I had a meal, did the dishes. So it's time for me to go back to the tournament now. So it's going to be the end of my camping trip.